everyone, I'm Nika Francisco and I'm a BD student from NEUST Talavera. And today, we will talk about the microorganism. In this lesson, I learned that microbiology is about the study of microscopic organisms that cannot be seen by the naked eye. So it means that if you want to study about microorganisms, you need to use a microscope para makita ang maliliit na microorganisms at para mapag-aralan ito. I also learned that there are 5 major of microorganisms. The first one is bacteria. Ang bacteria pwede natin siyang makita kahit saan. Pwedeng sa lupa, tubig, hangin at kahit sa loob ng katawan natin. May mga bacteria na nakakatulong habang ang iba naman ay nagdudulot ng sakit. The second one is protozoa. Ang protozoa may isang cell din, pero mas complex siya kaysa sa bacteria. Kadalasan naman itong makita sa tubig o sa lupa, and some of them can cause a disease like malaria. And the third one is algae. Ang algae naman isa siyang uri ng halaman, pero walang roots, stems, and leaves. And aside from that, algae is useful for food production, and also they can release an oxygen. And the fourth one is fungi. Kasama sa fungi ang yeast, molds, and mushrooms. And the last one is viruses. Ang mga virus naman ay sobrang liit at dumadami lang sa loob ng cells ng ibang organisms. Hindi sila living organisms kapag wala sila sa loob ng host cells. Ang viruses ay nagdudulot ng iba't ibang sakit mula sa simpleng sipon hanggang sa mas malubhang sakit. And lastly, natutunan ko na yung mga bagay na nahahawakan natin dito sa mundo is hindi siya totally na malinis. There's a possibility na ang isang bagay na sa tingin natin na malinis ay maraming germs or bacteria dahil ang mga organisms ay maliliit lang, so hindi natin to kayang makita gamit lang ating mata. But we can see it with the use of the microscope. Tandaan natin na ang bacteria ay hindi lang basta bacteria. Yes, some bacteria can cause diseases, but most of the bacteria can break down dead organic material and recycling vital nutrients. Always remember that even though some bacteria can cause diseases, but most of them are essential for healthy environment.